Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now using promo code QZZ2J.
And that brings us right now to our new guest. It's Mammotion, and it's James
Loria.
Loria. He just told me that, and I blanked out. James, welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming in. What can you tell us?
Well, Don, I want to thank you for letting us come here today.
My pleasure.
So I represent Mammotion. I'm the National Sales Director for North America.
Okay.
And Mammotion we're typically known for our lawn robots.
Okay.
And we're the leader in that category.
Okay.
However, last year, we introduced our first pool robot.
Okay.
And that was a Spino E1.
Okay.
This year, we debuted our Spino S1 Pro model.
Okay.
This is going to be a game changer here.
All right.
This is our first robot more in the higher tier level.
Okay.
And the unique thing about this robot is that it has an arm or a bracket that has a hook on it. And it actually just goes right onto it, picks it up. So as it picks it up, it's draining the water.
Wow. Which
leads me to my first, tech portion of it, okay? That's sometimes when it comes to pool robots, and I've been in the pool robot industry for a couple of years now, is that's typically the biggest task is getting the robot out of the water.
And it's a pain in the neck.
It's a pain in the neck.
Yeah.
I mean, the robot by itself weighs over 25 pounds.
Right.
You think about maybe if
in the water, it's heavier. When
it's heavier.
Yeah.
It could be 30 pounds.
Yeah.
It could be 30 pounds of it. So the robot, the bracket, it's the docking station. It charges it also. It charges it.
Well, the charger has to be recharged, so it has to have electricity or battery or some power.
You plug it into into a socket inside your house.
Okay.
This is where you plug it into. It has all the features you want in it as well too.
Now that's pretty interesting. Does the arm itself mount to the pool?
Yeah. So the mount itself, it's a heavy base, so it's really going to support the weight of it itself.
Okay.
So there's no drilling involved.
Okay.
It's quite a spectacle to see.
What about your website? Can they at least see it on there?
Yeah, so they can see it on our website.
What's the website?
Mammotion.com.
Okay.
Okay, Mammotion.com. And it's great. It does 6,800 gallons per minute. So it's always able to clean your pool.
Now it goes up the side of the walls, I would assume.
It cleans the bottom of the pool.
Right.
It cleans the walls of the pool.
Okay.
And it even cleans the horizontal line. So that's that scum line.
Oh, yeah, I know that well.
You know that well, right? I mean, I'm from Miami, Florida. And in our pool, we use a lot of suntan lotion, and you're done with your pool, and you see that little oil line across the edge there. So your robot will clean that as well too.
Now, it's available now, right? It's not.
No, it's not available now. If you go to our web, I know.
When is it coming out?
July. It'll be ready in July.
Okay. Summertime. Good.
Yeah. It's going to come out in summertime. So definitely for especially for the people in the Southern Belt states.
Right.
I'm from Miami, Florida originally, but right now I live in North Carolina.
Well, I live in Arizona, so
you guys are summer all year long, aren't you?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. So look on our website for availability. There will be pre-orders available too.
Now tell me, how much is this going to sell for?
So we don't have an estimated price right now, but it's safe to say it's going to be under $2,300.
Okay.
Under that.
You think that's a lot of money, but anybody who has a pool, you're going to get your payback on that real quick.
Well, you got to see our product, though, Don. All right, girth to it, and you really want to have a product is going to be durable.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I mean, if you're in Arizona, you might use your pool probably, I would say, 9-10 months out of the year.
Oh, easy.
So you want to make sure you have a product that's going to be durable to sustain that.
And you want it to do the job. You want it to clean. Durable is one thing, but it's got to clean. Like you said, it gets the scum line on the top.
It has intelligent path navigation. Okay, so it controls with an app on your phone.
That's even better.
Oh yeah, listen. As long as the robot, the average size pool is about 1,200 square feet. Average size pool. You can certainly different parts of the country. You can have bigger pools and smaller pools also. When the robots are operating underwater, as long as it's within 33 feet of the docking station when you want it to go charge, it'll retrieve it automatically. You don't have to do nothing.
So it's full of artificial intelligence.
All AI technology.
Interesting.
It is very, very unique. And I hope that if anyone here is at CES right now, they go over to the Venetian and they see our product over there.
Now, let me ask you another question. In terms of warranty, maintenance, what are we looking at, or do you even know?
3-year warranty.
That's excellent.
Yeah, we have U.S.-based technical support. Our U.S. corporate office is in Chino, California.
Okay.
And we have guys all across the country, but we have a staff, and they work Monday through Friday. But it's a 3-year warranty.
Parts and labor?
Parts and labor.
Okay.
I want to see that.
So I have to periodically check
Sure.
the basket and literally just open it up, empty it out, rinse it out, and back in business.
No tools required. How about that? No tools required.
Well, you got to rinse it out.
You got to rinse it out, but there's no tools to do anything about it. No tools to take the basket out. No tools. How about that?
What capacity is that?
You know what? It's about maybe half a gallon.
Okay.
It has a micron filter. So you live in Arizona, you told me, right?
Pardon me?
So you live in Arizona, correct?
I do.
So you have a lot of fine sand that flies in the air. It'll pick all that up. Being from South Florida, we don't get the fine sand, but sometimes if you live close to the ocean, you'll get particles of granular sand. But it's going to pick up your leaves. It's going to pick up rocks. It's going to pick up pebbles. If the kids drop their little bracelet down there, it's going to pick it up. It's going to pick up all that stuff.
Okay. Now, another question I have for you. How often does it run? Do you control that, or is there a formula that you put into the app and saying my pool is X amount of feet?
So this particular robot, the Spino S1 Pro, is good for a pool for up to 2,000 square feet. That's a large pool.
That's a big pool.
That's a big pool, okay? On a single charge, you can do it, okay, on a single charge. Plus, you don't have to worry about that. You have a docking station that takes it out of the pool and puts it back into the water for you, too.
So it's going to know when it's low on power and needs to be recharged.
Right on the app, it'll tell you also.
But it's going to do it automatically if I'm not looking at the app.
It does it automatically.
Okay, so is it going to take a dive at 3 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock?
You can schedule it.
So you can schedule whatever you want.
Think about this. It's Friday afternoon. You're on the way home from work. You plan the late party, for Friday night. Have your robot clean the pool for you before you get home and your guests start getting there on Friday night. Or if you have a party going on Saturday morning on the pool deck, then all you have to do is put the robot, make sure it goes out in the morning and cleans your pool up.
So you can pre-program this for next Tuesday at 6 o'clock.
Sure.
Start cleaning.
Yes.
That's very convenient.
Very convenient.
Very nice.
Everything's done on the app itself. Everything's done on the app.
Okay, and I hate to say older model, but your existing model now, what does that cost?
Oh, so our Spino E1 model is more of your entry-level product. Right now it's at $599. Okay. Right now. And this is going to be able to do the floors and the walls as well. That's all it's going to be able to do.
What about the scum line on the top?
No, it doesn't do that.
Okay.
So you got to step up to the Spino S1 Pro to be able to do the horizontal on there as well. But when it cleans the walls, when it gets to the water line, it stops there and the scrubbers are scrubbing. It's just not going horizontal.
Right,
that's all.
Right.
It's not going horizontal.
So it will deal with that.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
That's a very reasonable price.
Absolutely. And we're talking about maybe even doing some good promotions for starting spring as well on that model. Now, I can't relate that right now, though.
Okay. But that's a good deal, folks, to keep your eye on, because, first of all, it's a reasonable, in my opinion, it's a reasonable price right out the gate. And now if you're going to get, a discount or whatever on it, that makes it even more affordable. And I don't know about you, but my pool in Arizona is it's expensive to keep it going. Yeah. And I don't use it that much. And I'd like to bury it in sand, but I can't do that. So, if you got to clean it, one of those devices will pay for itself in, a month for me easily.
It's possible. The idea behind getting a pool robot, Don, is going to be where you spend more time with your family and less time worrying about cleaning the pool.
Yeah.
You're still going to have to check your chemicals, right? You're going to have to check your pump, your filter. You're going to have to do that. We haven't made a robot yet for that yet, okay? But that's coming.
Okay.
That's coming.
Sounds good to me. Anything else that we should know? Your website?
Mammotion.com.
Okay, and there you can purchase the stuff, or you'd go through a local dealer?
You can go through right on our website also.
Right.
And we do have local dealers around the country that have it available also, so they can put their zip code in our website, and they can find someone local in their area.
Oh, that's good. So you can locate it by zip.
Yeah. You can find right now our Spino E1. If we have any more in stock, they sold pretty quick, all right?
I'm sure they do.
Walmart.com.
Really?
Lowe's.com, HomeDepot.com, and Amazon.com as well, too.
So you're everywhere.
We are everywhere.
I mean, Amazon and Walmart, you're covered.
I'm covered everywhere. And some other ones are coming down the road. I can't say right now.
Okay,
It's a surprise. But and I can't leave here without reminding people, also check out our lawn robots. They are the best.
Uh-oh.
They are spectacular. Okay.
Well, we have a minute or two, not more. Let's talk about that.
Well, what can I tell you about this that hasn't already been said? I've been in the OPE, outdoor power equipment business now for about over 6 years now.
Okay.
And I've been with Mammotion now just under 2 years. And I have been watching them for quite some time. Their product is the best. It's sleek, it's designable,
right,
but it's quality also. We have some of the best R&D professionals who put so much effort and time into this product here. We have two different series. We have the Yucca, and we also have the Luba series. So we started off with Luba 1. We just got done selling the Luba 2, and now we're in the Luba 3.
Wow.
What I can say about this is the game changer for us is we're typically not the first to come out with something, but we're going to be the best when we come out with this product.
You can't argue with that. I mean, that's what it's all about.
And we've gone into what's called LiDAR Net RTK technology. With our previous generation product, you had an RTK antenna that you had to install in this GPS coordination, and you mapped out your yard, right? You've heard of this technology. With LiDAR, take it out of the box, press a button, and it starts doing the mapping for you.
Yeah, they use that in drones, you know.
Correct. That's exactly what they use it in drones. So, again, if you come to our booth, it is fantastic to see that we have this huge 45-degree angle slope, about 20 feet high, and two robots.
No kidding. I'll have to try to get by there today.
Please. All right, today or tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, today or tomorrow. Come see
I'm
it.
here. I'm not going anywhere.
All right, you got it. All right, you got it.
Thank you so much for coming on board.
Thank you.
Very enjoyable.
Thank you.
I like that you guys always have new products and new stuff coming up, so that's a good thing.
Yes. I look forward to seeing you again. All right?
My pleasure, James. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2026 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Ravin Ford. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Brandy Jackson, and Beth Price. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Scott Ertz, and Serge Velasquez. Graphic design by Vicky Gonzalez. Executive producer emeritus Todd Cochran. Award production is provided by Amrock Fab Lab. Studio equipment is provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production. Copyright 2026.